I have what you're looking for right here. Yeah, this is the GoodWe hybrid inverter, 50 kilowatts, 𝗖𝗄 series. Number 1, this inverter is suitable for both C&I installations and also major residential installations. Number 2, this is IP66 rated, which means that the coating is done really well to prevent it from getting damaged from both water and dust. Good stuff, right? Another thing about this inverter is that it allows to make real-time monitoring. So we have this app that we use, SolarGo. Once you've connected the inverter to your system, you can be able to manage it and monitor it in real time. This is also very suitable for both on-grid and off-grid applications. So if you want this inverter, you know who to call. And remember, 𝘖tech Solar, power to empower.